Hello everyone, you are welcome to the channel. In the previous video I said we are going to learn how to construct a pivot table in Excel. So I'm just going to use this small database over here, which is a daybook in accounting. Now if you want to learn how to construct this or develop this or design this, or how to automate accounting transactions, go back to the channel and look for that particular video. And if this is the first time of you watching me, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, I'll plead with you to subscribe for me. I'll be much grateful for that. So without wasting much time, let's see how we can do. Now, to construct a pivot table, we just have to select the range of data that we want to construct the pivot table for. So I've selected this one, and you come to under insert. Okay, so under insert you see here pivot table. After selecting the range of cells that or data that I want to construct the table for, just come to under insert tab, click on that and look for pivot table and click on that. Then this dialog box will open for you. So here it has selected the table range. Then here you just click on new worksheet, then you click OK. You can see it has been selected or created for you. So what you have to do here, just click anywhere inside this pivot table. Okay, and then you come to design, then you come to subtotal. We don't want subtotal, so select this one. Page layout, we want to show everything in the tabular form. Go there again, repeat all item labels. Okay, then right click on this, select this in here, right click on that, okay, so just select it, and now it's up to us to bring the element that we want. So here we want the date, you have to select it. You want to have the particulars, select that one too. Let's say we want the entity, so this is what we want. Okay, for now, so let me expand this. Okay, and then come to ungroup. Okay, so let me undo, Ctrl Z. After selecting the one that you want, the date, particulars, and then entity, assuming this is what I want to have it in my pivot table. So in your case, you will decide what you want to include. So here, just click anywhere and right click on that and go to ungroup. Okay, so to have the actual dates like that. Okay, now that we are done, let's see what we can do. So just click here. Now we want to show, let's say, the quantity. We want to show the unit price. We want to show the amount. No, we don't want amount, let's take it off. We want to know the net amount. So assuming this is what we want to have for our pivot table. Okay, So that is that. Now when I select this, let me do some formatting here for the currency net amount. So we have the sum of quantity, we have sum of, okay, so let me make this one sum of unit price. Just click on that and go to value field settings, go to normal format, select number, use 1000 separators and click OK. Then let's do the same thing for sum of net amount. Click on that, go to value field settings, normal format, go to number, then use 1000 separator and click OK. So we have it nicely like this. So we have it nicely like that, and let's add a slicer. A slicer will help you to select some specific, assuming I want to know all the transactions related to Anarco. Okay, the slicer will help us to do that. So let's click somewhere here, go to developer, sorry, go to pivot table analyzer, then here insert slicer, just click on that. So what do you want? You want to use only the entity and click OK. So let me bring it here. So if I want to know Anarco, see this is the transaction for Anarco. If I want to know Sans Limited, if I click on that. If I want to know all the transactions in the book, just click on that. You see, it is very easy to do. So friends, this is how we can easily construct a pivot table in in Excel. Okay, you can use the same ideology to do so many things. So many things. What you have to do is to understand how to do it and use it in your database design. Now if you want to know how to understand certain things in accounting, then you have to stay tuned to this channel, because we'll be giving you more tutorials on that. So Moscow will be giving you a lot of lectures on financial accounting from basic to advanced, and me too will be giving you more videos on IT related stuffs like Excel and so on and so forth. So stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, do that for us. Share the video, leave your comments, and we'll be glad to respond to your comments. Thank you very much. See you in the upcoming video. Bye bye.